Good morning. My name is Dr. Geoff Steeves. I'm a physics prof in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at the University of Victoria in Western Canada. I was just out on a morning walk and I was thinking about TP Fast Transit to Mars. That's the TP that I'm chairing this year, and thinking about the current paradigm that we live in terms of using chemical propulsion to explore the solar system. As many of you know, there are many technologies being considered beyond chemical, and that's one of the focuses of this department. So if you think about traveling to Mars right now, it takes on the order of months potentially to get there. And that's a huge length of time, especially if you're considering exploring Mars and potentially even developing it sometime in the future. So with that in mind, my inspiration, I'll share it with you right here. It's down on the ground. We'll have to have a look here. So here he is. This is a banana slug, and he's exploring too. But you can see the distances that this slug is trying to explore, and they are immense compared to the kind of speed with which it moves. And that's kind of the situation we're in right now in terms of trying to explore Mars, potentially bring humans to the surface of Mars and so on. So with this TP, what I want us to consider are technologies beyond chemical propulsion to allow us to explore Mars on a more rapid timescale. Now, I'm a physics professor. I'm very familiar with modern physics, relativity and quantum mechanics. And as far as I can tell, there are no laws of physics which prevent us from accessing the kind of powers and energies required to explore the solar system on much faster timescales. What is lacking is the technology to allow us to do it. So one of the things we need to consider is how can we develop technology along a roadmap to enable us to explore more rapidly, to enable new propulsion technologies. But beyond that, this is SSP, this is the International Space University, and one of the things ISU prides itself on is in adopting a interdisciplinary approach to problem solving. And with that in mind, I want you to also be thinking about what the ability to get humans to the surface of Mars, for instance, in a week, what that would do to our society, to our culture. What businesses might it enable? What legal structures might we need to develop to protect ourselves with that ability, with that power? Also, how will human society itself transform if we, for instance, became a multiplanetary species? So many big questions. I think it's a very exciting topic, and I look forward to what you bring, what you contribute to this project with us. So I hope you consider and join our team. Thank you.